Trudis Liit, English title, Little Trudis Lit. Trudis Little is a 2010 Philippine television drama comedy series broadcast by GMA Network. Based from the 1983 film of the same title, the series is the 21st and final installment of Sine Novela. Directed by Don Michael Perez, it stars Jillian Ward in the title role. It premiered on June 21, 2010 on the network's Dramarama sub Hapon lineup, replacing Gumapang Ka Lusak, and worldwide on July 2, 2010 on GMA Pinoy TV. The series concluded on October 22, 2010 with a total of 90 episodes. It was replaced by Little Star in its time slot. Cast and characters. Main cast: Jillian Ward as Gertrude's Trudis Ferrer, Gina Alajar's Lollipop Loli Toledo Ferrer, Ian Veneration as Ronaldo Ronnie Perez, Chris Villanueva as Nicolo Nick Ferrer, Pauline Luna as Honolin Honey Toledo Ferrer, Mike Tan as Miguelito Migs Ocampo, Maxine Magalona as Mercedes Ched Cristobal. Supporting cast: Bella Flores as Doña Hershey Ferrer, Jalmapa as Catalino Lino Capilli, Marisa Morales as Magdalena Magda Capilli, Dexter Doria as Carmen Menang Cristobal, Archie Adamos as Carlos Carling Cristobal, Francesca Salcido as Sugar Toledo, Jamaica Micaela Oliveira as Guadalupe Apang Capilli, Mark Acueza as Alvin, Robert Ortega as Bogart, Yel Servo as Lando, China Ordaliza as Precious Toledo, Russian Jandrasilo, Giz Diocariza. Ratings. According to AGB Nielsen Philippines Mega Manila People Individual Television Ratings, the pilot episode of Trudis Liit earned a 6.3% rating, while the final episode scored an 8% rating. References. External links. Trudis Liit on IMDb.